Question 8. A ladder of 5 meters leans against a vertical wall. So vertical wall is here. This is the wall. And then there's a ladder. 5 meters. Okay, the ground will be horizontal, making a right angle here. Okay, floor. And they said the floor, the ladder will be sliding away from the vertical wall along the floor constant rate for 0.4 meters per second. That means it's like this, moving towards the left, 0.4 meters per second. And find the rate of the top end of the ladder slides down when its foot is 3 meters away from the wall when it is free. Okay, so right now let's check some and make some unknowns. Let the vertical height here will be y, horizontal one will be x. So right now, after letting this one, the constant rate here 0.4 meter per second is the corresponding dx dt. What are we asked to find is the rate the ladder slides down. That means this part it is dy dt. Okay, that's what we need to do. Now we have two unknowns, x and y, so we let these unknowns. So we let x meters be the horizontal distance, and y meters be the vertical distance. Okay, after letting this, then by Pythagoras theorem we can set up the equation. Because the ladder is 5 meters for sure, the Pythagoras theorem, x squared plus y squared will be equal to 5 squared. So we want to have dx dt correlate with dy dt. Now rough work. Dy dt is our ultimate goal. We got dx dt. How can we change that? We need the dy dx here. The dy dx. So what is dy dx? That's why we need to use the equation x squared plus y squared equals 5 squared. So we differentiate both sides with respect to x. So 2x plus 2y dy dx will be equals to 0. Change the subject. Dy dx will be equal to negative 2x over 2y, which is equal to negative x over y. So we want to find dy dx, and right now it's negative x over y. The problem is, what is the dy dx at that stage? What is at that stage? When the foot is 3 meters away from the wall, that means when x is equals to 3. So check, when x is equals to 3, 3 squared plus y squared equals to 5 squared. Definitely this Pythagoras triple. Y is equals to 4. So dy dx when x is equals to 3, y equals to 4, the values will be equals to negative 3 over 4. Then we have found enough information to find dy dt, as dx dt is 0.4. We found it before, given by the question. Dy dt will be equals to dy dx times dx dt equals to, we found it previously, dy dx at 3, 4 will be negative 3 over 4 times dx dt will be equals to 0.4. So the value will be negative 0.3. Negative 0.3, the unit will be meter per second. it is negative because it's dropping down, so the ladder is slicing down at the rate of 0.3 meter per second.